All right, today I'm going to show a quick video on the shell tool. The shell tool is a great way to hollow out a shape. And so I have on the screen right now this shape I've created. Kind of looks like an ice cream cone, honestly, but we're gonna hollow it out. I'm going to use the shell tool. So shell tool is another modify tool in the modify panel. There's the shell command or tool. As usual, if you hover over that, it will give you a help menu, and you can press F1 to get even more help if this doesn't give you enough information to use the tool. The tool itself has some hints as well. The red arrow tells you that we need to click on a face. So I'm going to click on a face somewhere, and then whichever face I click on is going to be removed, and then the object's going to be hollowed out. We have a couple different solutions here. They don't change it a lot. I will talk about those more in a minute. So we'll just click on this top face. That's the one I want to remove. And you can see now that it has, in the preview, it's going to hollow that all out. This one number that we put in, the thickness, that tells us how much of a wall thickness to leave behind. So if I made it 0.2 instead of 0.1, the wall will, of course, get thicker and keep going even thicker with it. But we'll go back to the 0.1. These solutions over here, this says that the wall is going to be kept on the inside. So basically that the shape, the outer dimensions of the shape will not get bigger. This will create the wall outside the object. And so the original object would actually be the cavity, and then it'll create a new wall outside of that. And this is in between the two. I usually use this one. I usually create the part to have the outside dimensions that I want, and then remove the inside. Hit OK, and there we go. We have a object that has been hollowed out. And that is it for the shell tool.